Please keep your arms, hands, legs, and feet inside the vehicle at all times. Hi, my name is Mikayla Minton, and for my project, I created a Ferris wheel based off of the Ferris wheel on the Paradise Pier in Santa Monica, considering I grew up nearby and have been there many times. My Ferris wheel consists of 10 distinct individual parts and 87 parts total when you look at all of the repeated parts in the entire Ferris wheel. Throughout my project, I used quite a few different techniques to achieve the shapes that I wanted. In particular, I used the wrap, circular pattern, loft, and shell tools, and created many reference planes in the process. In particular, the geometry of the door hinges on the Ferris wheel cars proved to be a challenge, as the lofts that created the shape of the car did not line up with the direction that the doors needed to hang straight off the hinges. I overcame this challenge by using the measuring tape tool, drawing out the shapes, and calculating the dimensions by hand. Similarly, the geometry of the beams and the circular Ferris wheel frame required additional calculations in order to achieve the desired look. In order to create a realistic car, I made the hinges flexible so that the doors can be opened and closed. Upon conducting a simulation of which the maximum load is an unevenly distributed 300 pounds on the seat of the car, the maximum von Mises stress was 1.619 times 10 to the 2 psi, which is well under the yield strength of 1.049 times 10 to the 5 psi for the chosen steel alloy material. The 300 pounds represents the weight of the maximum passenger allowed on board the ride. Lastly, the Santa Monica Ferris wheel is the first Ferris wheel to be powered by solar power. As you can see, I have a similar representation on my Ferris wheel to show how the motor will operate. Thanks for watching!